Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we will explore Broadcom in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, and we are here to provide an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has identified Broadcom as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.21. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 5.92%. This equates to an average loss of 0.39% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of about negative 17% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 26% and negative 6%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 56%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from around 45% to 118% over the next year. This means the future price could likely fall between $284.26 and $427.34. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Broadcom stock after gaining 2.18%. The Broadcom stock price gained 2.18% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, rising from $191.36 to $195.54. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.19%, with a day low at $193.27 and a day high of $197.50. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 1.95% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 24 million shares bought and sold for approximately $4.65 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $251.87, and the lowest price was $119.76. Currently, the price is 22.36%, or $56.33, below the 52-week high of $251.87, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom, trading under the symbol AO, has recently captured attention as billionaire investors are increasingly drawn to its shares. On the 14th of March, reports indicated a growing favor among hedge funds towards Broadcom, particularly in light of the recent correction in the Nasdaq Composite. This institutional interest can provide substantial short-term support for AVGO's stock price. Despite encountering challenges in the performance of the artificial intelligence sector this year, Broadcom delivered strong results for the first quarter, achieving earnings of $1.60 per share, alongside sales exceeding $14 billion. This remarkable performance is part of a larger trend where their focus on artificial intelligence infrastructure positions them advantageously for future growth. Analysts are recognizing this potential, reaffirming outperform ratings, and suggesting that current prices offer a favorable buying opportunity, particularly after a 20% decline in year-to-date performance for Broadcom due to market volatility. The ongoing concerns regarding inflation seem to have a lesser impact on Broadcom compared to other stocks, owing to its long-term contracts and solid fundamentals. As analysts project considerable market potential through the year 2027, anticipating revenue growth from major hyperscale customers, the outlook remains optimistic. Overall, the combination of strong financial performance, solid analyst recommendations, and increasing institutional investment positions Broadcom for potential gains in both the short and long term. Investors may find AVGO to be a compelling choice amidst market fluctuations, especially considering its strategic involvement in the expanding artificial intelligence sector. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned AVGO an overweight rating while advising a hold action. On the same day, KeyBank also rated AVGO as overweight with a hold action. Moving to Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, CICC reported an outperform rating for AVGO along with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, Morgan Stanley once again rated AO as overweight with a hold action. Lastly, on Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Bank of America Securities issued a buy rating for AO while recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Broadcom stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a prevailing sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $212.02. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $190.01. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall bearish sentiment. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 6, 2025, and so far it has risen by nearly 9%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is reached. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Broadcom finds support from accumulated volume at $194.96. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. During the previous day, the stock fluctuated $4.23 between its high and low, reflecting a 2.19% change. Over the last week, the stock's average daily volatility has been 4.33%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of the year, 2025, is expected on the 11th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.56. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $202.13. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an important level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Broadcom encounters its first support level at $194.96. If this support level holds, it could represent a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 4th of March, 2025, Spears Kirsten M. conducted an insider purchase of 118,760 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01. On the 4th of March, 2025, Kawas Charlie B. conducted an insider purchase of 150,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01. On the 4th of March, 2025, Brazil Mark David conducted an insider purchase of 262,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01. On the 8th of January, 2025, Hartenstein Eddie W. conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01. On the 6th of January, 2025, Lo Chek Kian conducted an insider sale of 48,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 5.758. Overall, insiders purchased 2,082,240 shares and sold 2,641 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Currently, Broadcom exhibits several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 17th of March, we anticipate Broadcom will open lower by approximately 1 cent, starting at $195.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.